Well, good afternoon, Steve.
Good afternoon, math teacher.
How are you today?
I'm excited.
Good. What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
Thursday today. Good. And today we're going to talk about shapes and colours. What's your favourite colour?
My favorite color is red.
Black. Good. What's your favourite shape?
My favorite shape is circle.
Circle. Can you make a circle? Boy. Well done.
Circle.
That's a big circle. What's a small circle? Yeah. Good job.
Very small circle.
Very small. Well done, Steve. Okay, now Steve, what are they?
They are rectangle.
Good. And what are they?
They are triangle.
Triangles. And what are they?
They are diamond.
Diamonds. What is this?
It's the circle.
Good. What are they?
They are hexagon.
Hexagons. Good. And this one, what is it?
It's the square.
Square. Good. Now, can you find for me, if I say the one, okay? Where is the green triangle?
Here it is.
Good. Where's the red hexagon?
Here it is.
Good. Where are the rectangles? Where's the rectangles?
Blue rectangle.
There's two, okay? So can you find them both?
Here it is.
Okay, here they are. And where's the yellow circle?
Here it is.
Where's the brown diamond?
Here it is.
Okay, excellent. Right, now Steve, what's the weather like today?
It's rainy today.
It's raining today. Do you like rain?
Yes.
Do you like the rain? Do you have an umbrella? No, no umbrella. Okay. Steve, can you tell me what's the weather like here? What's the weather?
It's rainy.
It's rainy, good. And what's the weather like here?
It's sunny.
Good. And this one?
It's snowy.
It's snowy, good. So I want you to match the three weathers to how you feel, okay? Can you do that? If I put these ones here. Okay, can you match the weather and how you feel? How do you feel when it's raining?
Rainy. It's rainy. I'm wet.
You're wet, good. Let's put that one together. What about when it's sunny? How do you feel?
It's sunny. I'm hot.
Good. And when it's snowy?
It's snowy. I'm cold.
Good job. Well done, Steve. Steve, what do you want to be when you
I
grow up?
want to be a baseball player.
Baseball player. Good. Okay. Who is she?
She is police officer.
Police officer. Where does a police officer work?
A police officer works in the police station.
Good. And who is he?
He's a farmer.
And where does a farmer work?
A farmer works in the farm.
Good. And last one. Who is she?
She's a doctor.
And where does a doctor work?
A doctor works in the hospital.
Okay, excellent. Well done, Steve. Okay, Steve, you did very good. Okay, where are you going to go now? Where are you going now? Where are you going? Where do you go? I'm going.
I'm going home.
You're going home? Okay. Well, Steve, well done. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Give me a high five. Okay, well done. Bye-bye.
Bye.